In today's video, I'm going to teach you MailChimp Newsletter. We're going to walk through the basic process of creating a simple newsletter in MailChimp, from opening your account all the way to choosing a template and customizing your email. This is a great starting point if you want to send updates, announcements, or promotional content in a professional and organized way. First, open your MailChimp account and go to the main dashboard. Once you're in, look for the Create button and click it. This is where you begin building a new email campaign. From the available options, choose Email and then select Regular. A regular email is the standard newsletter format and works well for most general email campaigns. Next, you'll be asked to enter a name for your campaign. This name is mainly for your own reference, so choose something clear and easy to recognize later. For this example, you can type Sample Newsletter. Once that's entered, click Begin to move forward. After that, choose the basic layout. This gives you a simple structure to start with, which is especially helpful if you want something clean and easy to edit. Starting with a basic layout also makes it easier to focus on your message without getting distracted by too many design elements right away. Now it's time to add recipients. Select your audience so MailChimp knows who will receive the newsletter. This step is important because it ensures your email goes to the correct contact list. If you manage multiple audiences, take a moment to double-check that you're selecting the right one before continuing. From there, write your subject line. Your subject should be short, clear, and relevant to the content of the email. It's the first thing people see in their inbox, so make sure it matches the purpose of your newsletter and encourages readers to open it. Once the subject is ready, click Design Email. This is where the visual part of your newsletter comes together. MailChimp will give you template options to choose from, so select the template that you prefer. Pick one that fits the style of your message and the type of content you want to share. After selecting your template, feel free to customize it. You can adjust the text, images, colors, and layout to match your brand or your message. Keep your design simple, readable, and visually balanced so your audience can easily follow along. And that's the basic process for creating a MailChimp newsletter. Once everything looks the way you want, you'll be ready to review it and continue with your campaign setup.